Good weekend to everybody. This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a video of the top 5 or 6 groups and the leading stocks in them. Why do we do this? Folks, the foundation is this. Leading groups normally produce leading stocks. So what do? We take a look at the leading groups and the leading stocks in those groups. Here's group number 1 right down here on the bottom. Notice how it's moved up nicely in rank. From 170 6 months ago to number 1, Telecom Wireless Services. Leading stocks in the group. Now, if it's a real junk stock, you don't have to look at it. But I'd know these names if I were you. Market dropped pretty hard the last several weeks and bounced back just recently. But look at this, basically hitting all-time highs here. That's sweet. Group number 2, hanging in there. Retail discount variety. Went up on heavy volume on Thursday, down on less volume. Here's the leading stocks in this group. I'd know them. Group 3. By the way, for the VIPs, we do the top 25 groups. Ain't that exciting on a Saturday night? Moved up nicely in rank. Medical, outpatient, home care, long care. Down on a pickup in volume, but above the rising 8-day. Leading instant group, we know about it. Leading stocks in the group. Group rank 4. Hanging in there. Medical, outpatient, home care went up, pulling back on decreasing volume. Group's hanging in decent. It fell a little bit in rank, but it's still group 4. I mean, you can't beat that. Here's the leading stocks in the group. I like this volume when it moved up, pulled back on less. Group rank 5, 188 to 139. 188 6 months ago, 139, 5, tobacco. Starting to lose it a little bit here, and which is fine with me because I despise what tobacco does. And here's the leading stocks in this group. Right there. Group rank 6, I'll give it to you. Retail, wholesale auto parts. What jumpstart this was the deal with Walmart and O'Reilly. I do believe it's O'Reilly. Here's the leading stocks in this group. It's moved up nicely in rank. Look at that, from 87, then it went to 91, to 14, to 6. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Those are the top 6 groups for all of you. We're going to hit the top 20 for the VIPs, top 25.